This racing simulator cockpit claims to be the ultimate upgrade for your sim racing setup, but does it actually deliver on that promise? Let's dive in. The Dardoo G920 Racing Simulator Cockpit is designed to be a versatile and stable platform for a wide range of popular wheels like Logitech, Thrustmaster, and Fanatic. Right off the bat, the build quality feels seriously robust. It's constructed from substantial 50x50 round tubes with 4-hole flanges, which the company says provides 4 times the stability. And honestly, when you start throwing some force feedback around, you can feel that stability. It doesn't wobble or flex, which is crucial for an immersive experience. One of the standout features is how incredibly adjustable this cockpit is. The steering wheel platform itself offers dual-level adjustments for both height and angle, meaning you can really dial in your perfect driving position. The pedal angles are also customizable, and there's a dedicated spot for a shifter, which is a nice touch. This level of customization is key to comfort during those long racing sessions. Speaking of comfort, the included racing seat is surprisingly good. It's a double-locking dual-rail seat, which feels secure, and the material is easy to clean, a practical consideration for any gaming setup. The neck and lumbar pillows add to the ergonomic design, and the fact that it can tilt all the way back to 180 degrees really does give you that feeling of being in a real race car, even when you're just relaxing between races. Adaptability is another strong point. It's designed to accommodate most major brands of wheels, pedals, and shifters, including direct drive wheels, which is a big deal for serious sim racers. Plus, it even supports TV bracket mounting and offers DIY punching options, so you can really make it your own. The load-bearing capacity is also impressive, rated up to 500 pounds, making it suitable for pretty much any racer. Just a heads up, this cockpit comes in 2 separate packages, so don't be alarmed if only one arrives at first. Overall, the Dardoo G920 Racing Simulator Cockpit seems to be a very solid contender for anyone looking to elevate their sim racing game. It offers a fantastic blend of stability, adjustability, and comfort, all wrapped up in a package that feels built to last.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.